Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy. So, rank requirements, curriculum. So we're talking about orange to purple belt stuff. So today we're going to be going over our orange to purple belt hand strikes, specifically our elbows. So we have 4 elbows that we need to know in order to advance from our orange to our purple. Now, in these hand strikes, we start taking on a little bit more athletic approach. We are going to be asking that you start doing your hand strikes from your horse stance instead of from your guard stance. And that is to just start encouraging those isometric holds, making those legs a little bit stronger, and encouraging a little bit more mobility in your hips. So from right here, we're going to go ahead and start by moving into our horse stance. Good, I'm looking for a nice tight ready hand, and then all 10 toes forward, back up straight and tall. So from right here, we're gonna start with our hands up, just like so, in our guard position, and we're gonna be doing our rear elbows to the body. Now, when we do our rear elbow to the body, it is just like a ready hand. We are trying to hit those hands to those ribs, nice and tight. Make sure that that hand has a good stable positioning right here, all right, and that it's not gonna move around a whole lot when we strike. Then our next strike is gonna be the rear elbow over the shoulder. So we're gonna pop up high, just like so. Make sure that we're coming up and over. So this is, you'll see this a lot in rear bear hug arms free when we get to that for our blue belt requirements. But we want to just start practicing this elbow strike right now. Then from right here, we're going to do our side elbow. So I want you to get into the habit of getting a really good reach on these right here, coming all the way across, making sure those elbows are connecting very, very well. Nice and easy. And then finally is going to be what is called our obscure elbow. Now this is 2 strikes. We're going to shoot a hammer fist behind us and then an elbow into the solar plexus. 1 and then 2. Now, one of the things that we like to do with this is the mistake that we make is we try and bend over and reach a little too high. I'm not trying for you to get this elbow to the chin. I really want you to clip the groin and then in the chest. So you really only need just a couple of inches of movement here up, but you really want to kind of focus back. We'll shoot this from another angle so that you guys can see what I'm talking about here. So 4 hand strikes, rear elbow to the body, rear elbow to the shoulder, side elbow, and then our obscure elbow. Those are going to be what the hand strikes that you need to promote from orange to purple. All right, guys, if you like what you're seeing, make sure you like and share, click that subscribe button, and until next time, train hard, fight fast, score first. Awesome.